Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Upstart easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, sign in to your Upstart account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the projects section on the left sidebar. Select the project you wish to scale. Now, click on the settings tab within your project. Scroll down to the scaling options section. Here, you will see various scaling options available for your project. Choose the scaling method that fits your needs best. If you prefer automatic scaling, enable the autoscale feature. Set your desired minimum and maximum instances for autoscaling. For manual scaling, simply adjust the number of running instances using the slider. Next, review the resource allocation for each instance. Make sure that your resources align with your scaling needs. Once you have made your adjustments, click the Save Changes button. After saving, monitor the performance metrics displayed on your dashboard. This data will help you understand how well your scaling choices are performing. If adjustments are necessary, revisit the settings to fine-tune your scaling. Be sure to regularly check back to ensure your project remains optimized. That's it for our tutorial on scaling with Upstart. You are now ready to effectively scale your project as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.